ASMR videos are becoming one of the fastest growing content styles on YouTube right now, attracting thousands and even millions of views because they're incredibly satisfying to watch. The best part is that you can create these videos in just a few minutes using AI tools, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it from start to finish. First, open ChatGPT and ask for AI micro ASMR video ideas. You'll get plenty of creative concepts, so choose one that looks visually satisfying, relaxing, or interesting. Once you've picked an idea, paste it back into ChatGPT and ask for a highly detailed image prompt, along with a cinematic video prompt. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate both prompts for you. Next, open Google Flow AI and create a new project. Paste the image prompt into the prompt box, switch to image mode, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and click Generate. After a short wait, Flow AI will create a stunning micro ASMR image filled with incredible details and realistic textures. Once your image is ready, return to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Then go back to Flow AI, switch to video mode, upload the image you just created, paste the video prompt into the prompt box, and click Generate. Flow AI will animate the scene, adding realistic motion, smooth camera movements, cinematic effects, and satisfying visual details that transform a simple image into an engaging AI micro ASMR video. When the generation is complete, preview the result and download your video. If you want to create longer content, simply repeat the same process with multiple scenes and combine them together during editing. To make your videos even more immersive, add relaxing ASMR sound effects, ambient background music, and smooth transitions between clips. With just a few simple steps, you can create professional-looking AI micro ASMR videos that are highly engaging and have strong viral potential. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell